In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GA4 on an Instapage page. Before we start, make sure you have access to your Instapage workspace and that your Google Analytics 4 property is already created in your Google account. We'll connect GA4 at the workspace level first, then attach that connection to a specific landing page. From your Instapage dashboard, click the workspace name in the top left to open the workspace menu. Choose Workspace Settings, then go to the Integrations section. Here, select Google Analytics 4. Instapage will ask whether you want to integrate GA4 with all existing pages in this workspace. If your GA4 setup should apply to every landing page you manage here, turn that on. If you prefer to control it page by page, leave it off. You can still link individual pages later. Next, choose the Google account that owns your GA4 property. Select the correct GA4 property, then pick the web data stream associated with your site. You'll see a measurement ID that starts with G, which helps you confirm you've chosen the right stream. Complete the setup, and your Instapage workspace is now connected to your GA4 property. This connection centralizes your analytics configuration, so you don't need to paste tracking code manually. Now let's attach that configuration to a specific landing page. Back in your Instapage dashboard, find the landing page you want to track and open its settings. Go to the Integrations section and click Marketing Tags and Pixels. Choose Google Analytics 4 from the list. You'll see the GA4 configuration you just connected at the workspace level. Select it here to associate this page with that GA4 setup. When you're done, update or publish the page. Publishing is important. Changes to integrations don't go live until the page is published. If the page was already live, simply republish so Instapage can inject the GA4 tag. A few tips as you wrap up. Pick the GA4 property that matches your environment to avoid mixing test and production data. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one before connecting GA4. After publishing, give GA4 a few minutes to start receiving data and review reports using the live page URL rather than a preview. If you ever need to change which property or data stream you're using, you can revisit integrations in Workspace Settings and update the selection, then republish the page. That's it. Your Instapage landing page is now set up with GA4 through a clean, scalable integration.